Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Holmes. I am a professor of chemistry at Doane University, and I have been teaching online and on-ground organic chemistry courses for over 20 years. With my students, I have conducted research in biomedicine, nanotechnology, and sensor technology. And while at Doane, I have also built several companies in the United States as well as in Europe. In my private life, I teach and I dance ballet, and I also volunteer at the local shelter called Hearts United for Animals. What excites me about teaching is that my students are all so very unique. Many of my students are adult learners and have their own lives and careers. And it motivates me to help my students achieve their professional and career goals by taking my courses. All the material in these courses has been developed by subject matter experts in the field, such as myself, and contains relevant curriculum, including modern assignments, discussions, and interactive exercises. In order to make these online courses just as valuable as on-ground courses, we utilize hands-on lab experiments. I hope that you find our online courses fitting to your personal and professional needs, and that we can welcome you in one of our courses.